So are we going?
Grange.
We're going.
Well, this isn't Grange. But
Apple Valley.
We're in Apple Valley.
Okay.
This is Grange.
Okay.
It's Grange Motor Circuit. I think they relabeled it to Apple Valley Speedway.
Okay. So that's where we're going to a drift event.
And there's some guys that offer.
You got a drifter over here. Should have brought the EK.
I know. Hell no. It would have broke.
It's already broken. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
It's okay. Oh, he's kind of sad still.
It's okay.
It's fine.
V2 coming soon.
Ooh.
Oh.
Here's rock my lip.
It won't fit.
Make it fit.
Hell yeah.
My lip's so good.
Yeah.
Lip check.
Damn, throwback. That shit was funny. Hey, you see my angle?
Hey, you got that PBM, huh?
Yeah.
I saw that shit.
It kicks in, huh?
I saw that shit.
Look at him. Yeah!
What a crackhead. So we're here. It's my first time here at Apple Valley Speedway, and it's cracking.
How you doing?
It's Christian.
How's it going, man?
Hi to my vlog. It's my first time slowly stripping.
It's hot.
It's hot here. The desert life.
You taking off your pants, dude?
Yeah, I'm taking off my pants. It's hot. Out of respect.
Hey, babe, can you go in my sunglass case?
Yeah. Oh, you can't go that way? Oh, that's rated R content. Yes, I want a beer.
Content stealer. I ain't gonna say anything though.
He's hating on me. It's so hot.
I think you're supposed to say it in your mind.
But I'm buying that S13. That'll be me one day, eventually. For now, I'm gonna just stick with Teggy. Because I'm broke.
To me that never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch. Then after that go see me hunt. Pull up S13 and pop my hood and let my trunk dump. Riding through the hood I bump. The thump from trunk will shake you up. Pull up to the party spark. The girl see me and save a spot. She know I know what I want.
So I rate that 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I
You guys look cool.
Oh yeah? Daniel let me borrow his. This was the drift missile. Thanks to Tony. You don't even want to let me use mine. Dude, I want to get an S13. Okay, it's time to go into the drift scene now. I'm missing out.
That's alright, I've been there, done that.
All about time attack.
Been there, done that. Should I?
That sucks. Sorry.
And right along with the AC on.
Yeah. Thanks for taking me on a ride along.
Oh, people are gonna think it's real.
So we're leaving Apple Valley Speedway, and we're tired. I didn't even do anything. You didn't do anything either. We're so tired. We woke up at like 6 a.m., which isn't that bad, but I guess the heat.
Yeah.
The heat is what made it tiring. And I went on a ride along, but then my videos were shot in time lapse, which sucks, but it is what it is. Huh?
So I should have drifted.
Oh, speed racer time attack.
Look at Joel's drifting again. I'm gonna do the same.
Drifting skills 101 with Daniel. Musty. Come on. Show him the gas. Show him the gas.
Where's the buttons on the side? The back.
Hey, don't pull Paul Walker. Okay.
That's fucked. Why would you say that? That's fucked up.
I'm just saying, it's just because it's on camera right now. That's
Yeah.
fucked
You gonna pull Paul Walker?
Don't pull up.
That's fucked up.
We're in
That's like the worst thing you could say.
GT3. Daniel wanted to take me for a spin.
In my dad's car.
Insisted.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh yeah, enjoy. Have fun in your date.
How long do I?
Oh, I'm going to prom.
Yeah, we're going to prom.
Go to prom.
We're going
It's our
to
prom date. Where's the temp gauge?
Hey, just bring him back by 10.
Okay, guys.
Where's the temp gauge?
What? Temp gauge.
The title of this video is going to be
Have like the full race with
New Car Who Dis. Hey, I'm not trying to die.
You're fine.
Hold on. Been at prom.
Thanks, Dad.
Bring him back by 10.
Thanks for the whip, Dad.
So we traded in our cars to pick up this GT3.
Right?
Oh, they're judging my car. No. This is my first time in a Porsche.
It's fast.
Ever, actually.
It's really fast.
I'm kind of
Please.
Also, today is the next day. We're just chilling. Nothing crazy. Just cruising. Recovering in the rental. Thanks, John. Alright, back to our normal cars.
I know.
So
You're gonna get in the Integra and be like, fuck, this is slow.
What are you trying to say about my car?
My car's slow too. You didn't even do the walk around. You have to do a walk around.
I'll walk. Oh yeah. I'll give you guys like a little walk around right now. I forgot. Got excited. I just hopped in. I could probably only afford the fire extinguisher. Just a little walk around of the carro. Slow-mo video of you getting out the car.
I didn't even make it look sexy.
Bite your lip when you do it. Okay. Well, we're back from our prom date, so.
How was it? You guys have fun?
Thanks, Dad.
Yeah.
Did I give you the keys? Or you have
Yeah.
I have the keys.
She's like, can
How
we
do you
get one?
feel?
And I said, only if you make it big on YouTube.
There you go.
So she's like, subscribe.
How do you feel? Let me see your hands.
It's not as bad as the first time.
No, because you're used to it now.
Yeah, the first time I got out and I was just
I
like,
got it, I was shaking.
yeah, I was just like, oh.
What?